5 clever ways to top grade your current iPhone. The iPhone is packed with a lot of useful features that'll make your everyday life just a little bit easier. From being able to quickly open your camera to swiping instead of typing when using the iPhone keyboard, there are a lot of useful tips you should know. With that said, if you want to up your game, you need to know how to make the most out of your iPhone. In order to do that, you need to learn a few features you probably aren't using yet. These are just some of the pro features your iPhone has to offer. And while there are a lot more, these tips will help you become the power user you've always dreamed of being. Whether it's adding extra buttons to your iPhone or creating new notes in a matter of seconds, read on for 8 tips that will make you an iPhone Pro with just a few taps. Number 5. Use the back of your iPhone as an extra button. Apple doesn't like buttons all that much, which is why most modern iPhones have as few buttons as possible on the sides. With that said, the company still managed to add a couple of secret buttons on the back of the iPhone. This is thanks to a feature called Backt, and as you can guess by its name, it lets you tap the back of your iPhone 2 or 3 times to perform a specific action. For instance, you can use it to take a screenshot or open the notification center. Number 4. Use Quicknotes on your iPhone. Quicknote was originally a feature exclusive to iPad and Mac, but now you can also use it on your iPhone. The name says it all, but this feature will help you create a new note without having to open the Notes app. Instead, you'll just need to use your control center, and you'll be able to write a note, no matter which app you're using. This is perfect if you have a burst of creativity, or if there's a reminder or something else you need to jot down quickly. Number 3. Download Apple Maps. To download offline maps using the Maps app, follow these simple steps. First, open the Maps app on your device. Then, locate your profile icon, typically found on the right side of your screen, and tap on it. From there, select Offline Maps from the available options. Next, tap on Download New Map. You can now either search for a specific location you wish to download or opt for your device's current location. Use the Zoom In or Out feature to precisely select the area of the map you want to save for offline use. Number 1. Fortunately, your iPhone can get rid of any duplicate photos in a matter of seconds. Here's how. To manage duplicate photos on your iPhone, follow these steps. First, open the Maps app, and then open the Photos app. In the Photos app, locate and select the Albums option, usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the Albums section and choose Duplicates. This will display a list of all the pictures that your iPhone identifies as duplicates. Take a moment to review the list and ensure that the images are indeed duplicates. Once you've confirmed the duplicates,